This is 360 Soft Wash, and today we're going to be washing this beautiful Drive-It home. Oftentimes with Drive-It you see black algae or green algae, sometimes even mold and fungus in really bad areas. And homeowners with stucco don't realize that the best method for washing is with soft wash. With traditional power washing, you put your stucco at a high risk of being damaged, whether it be cracked or chipped off when you're trying to get rid of it, as well as the fact that it doesn't penetrate the root systems in the stucco. When we wash or Drive-It, we make sure to keep it safe, which is why we use the technique of soft washing rather than traditional power washing. No matter how bad the buildup is, it's always washable with something like this. If you catch it early on, you can make sure that the algae and the mold doesn't suck the nutrients out of the paint, which would leave the stucco in a gray, colorless state and often leave it fragile. This fragile state is often exploited by nature, which leads to your stucco cracking and breaking more easily. This wash was an absolute success. The homeowner and us were really proud with the results, and the home ended up looking fantastic. Thank you for watching.